We must make haste. It's been almost a year now since we first spoke, but it seems that you are ready to know the truth. In the time since retiring from the librarian's position, I have been on a long secret mission to discover what we had feared most. The whisperings are true. I am writing to you because we need you now more than ever. We did not know if we could trust you, but Vermilion tells me that you have gained her confidence. We will need your help to succeed. After many years here with the Enchanted text and studying the secrets of the library, I began to suspect that there may be a second tome. But not just any tome, a shadow copy of the original, a tome of evil, full of the powers of darkness, with the ability to summon monstrous creatures. The evil wizard Tanis is in possession of the tome copy. There is but one way to stop him. You must gather the broken shards of the Tablet of Light. You will find the shard pieces in the basement of the library where Tanis crushed the tablet. The time for bravery is now. Be bold, be swift. Sincerely, the Librarian.